So leaving the living room, you have a hallway, 2 bedrooms, and a bath. And this goes into the kitchen and dining area. And a small closet in the hall, pantry probably. Linoleum in the kitchen. I did notice that you can see outside through this door. And this corner seems to be a little bit higher. And then you got a screened-in porch where this corner looks higher than the other side. I'm stepping on it, so we'll see. Might just be appearances because it doesn't feel any different when I walk on it. Little weak right there where I just step. Oh, yep. That will need, the boards on that will need to be replaced because it's weak, it's bouncy.